Welcome back guys on another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about what is forex for beginners mainly. So basically forex, when you talk about forex, this means the interchanging of currencies online. But before we go ahead with our topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video in order to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Don't forget to even share this video guys, because I think the importance of sharing knowledge is everyone at least to have an idea about something which we are talking about. So don't forget to share this video. For those who would like to know the forex brokers we use, the link will be down in the description. Don't forget to check the links down in the description. Sign up with our reliable forex broker we have been using for over 4 years of experience. Fast withdrawals, tight spreads, their support is like legit. Whenever you ask them about something, they reply on time. So don't forget to sign up with our forex brokers down in the link in the description. Okay, now today in today's video I'm gonna be talking about or explaining more about forex. What is forex? Now, the forex exchange market, also referred to as forex or retail forex or FX spot, is the largest market in the whole world. Now, when we talk about financial markets or businesses worldwide, when you look at the statistics of all businesses, you find like forex is the major or the first industry whereby it is invested in a lot of money every 24 hours. You cannot compare it with the crypto market. It cannot be compared to the indexes market. It cannot be compared to the stocks. Now that means in the whole world, forex is the most industry whereby the volume of amount of money rotating in the industry is a lot of money. So with a volume of about $6.6 trillion a day. Now when we are talking about the money, we see $6.6 trillion a day. It's the money which is invested in the forex market every 24 hours. Remember, here we have just said it's the largest financial market in the whole world with a volume of about $6.6 trillion a day. So that means this is the amount of money invested in the forex market every day. It actually equates to more than 3 times the total amount of stocks and futures markets combined forex rocks. So this is what I was trying to explain, that you cannot compare other industries with the forex market according to the amount of money or volume of money invested in these markets. So you will find the stock markets, they invested in like about like 200 billion, 300 billion US dollars. You cannot compare it to the market which is invested in $6.6 trillion. Then you cannot compare them. So that means forex, even when you look at the crypto market, at the moment I see the coin market cap of crypto market is $1.9 trillion. So that means forex is far away with $5 trillion ahead. I think now you get my point. Going ahead with our notes, it is done through a forex broker who provides the platform on which the buyers and sellers meet. So when you are trading forex, there is no way you can buy and sell these currencies without a forex broker. So now through a forex broker is where you find a platform on where to buy and sell or interchange these currencies, because the forex broker has the authority of combining the buyers and sellers in the market. by giving you a platform on where to trade, giving you the software, the website, even interchanging this money. It's all done with a forex broker. So in order to participate in the financial markets of forex, you must be having a reliable forex broker. That's why you say click down the description to register with our forex broker. We have been using over 4 years of experience, so don't forget to sign up with our forex broker. So going ahead with our notes, what is traded in the forex exchange? So remember, here we say the forex is the buying and selling of currencies online. Now we buy and sell currencies online through a forex broker. Now here we want to explain more what is traded in the forex exchange. Now when you look at our notes here, you find when you talk about currencies, we mean these local currencies: the US dollar, euro, pound, Japanese yen. I think they're indicated here, you can see them. So these are the currencies which are being traded by the traders. Currencies are traded through a forex broker or a dealer, like I've told you before, and are traded in pairs. For example, the euro, dollar, and the US dollar, or the British pound and the Japanese yen. Because you are not buying anything physical, this kind of trading can be confusing. Now, like, this is a little bit example. When we are trading, you'll find a pair of euro stroke US dollars. That means if the US dollar is the quote, or if the US dollar is the base, yeah, and the euro is our quote. That means when you're buying euros, let me say now the euro is losing value, so that means you're selling. Now if the euro is gaining value, that means you're buying. So you're going to sell off the US dollars, in return buying the euro. So that's why these pairs they are combined or paired. Going ahead, we also have another example of GBP JPY. So that means this GBP JPY, this is pound stroke JPY, this is Japanese yen. So that means if the Japanese yen is our base and the GBP is our quote, that means you're going to use the Japanese yen to buy the pound. In return, those who have pound, they're going to sell up their pounds in return to buy the Japanese yen. So that's why we say forex is the interchanging of currencies online. Buying what you have and selling off what you have and you buy what you don't have. That is the interchanging of currencies. Explaining more about this particular thing is, think about of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country. When you buy, say, Japanese yen, you are in effect buying a share in a Japanese economy, as the price of the currency is directly reflecting of what the market thinks about the current and future health of the Japanese economy. So what do they mean in this sentence? When you're buying Japanese yen, that means in return you're like buying shares in their particular country, Japan. So if the economy of that country is performing in a way that there is good interest rates, there is consumer price index whereby people have what to do as in jobs, that means if that particular country, its economy is rising, that means you're buying a Japanese yen. That means the Japanese yen, its reflection in the forex market will be buying. Why? Because the economy of Japan is doing well. Now if the economy of Japan is affected, that means the Japanese yen is going to drop. Remember, if you're buying, it's like you're buying shares, like we have said here, because it's a clear example we can try to explain. If you're buying a Japanese yen Okay, let me say US dollar. If you're buying a US dollar, that means you're buying shares in the USA economy. So if the USA economy is not performing well at the moment, that means the US dollar is going to drop. If the US economy is performing well at that moment, that means the US dollar is going to rise. So that's where you make money from. Now we are going to try to give you a little bit illustration about the currencies which are traded and their particular countries plus the symbol for you not to be confused. Now when you look at the symbol, column, country and currency. Now the US dollar basically its country originated in the United States of America. Then the currency is called the dollar. Then the symbol is USD. Now when you look at the euro, is from the European countries, plus its currency is called the euro, even the symbol is EUR. GBP, this is the Great Britain. Countries like London, England, they use the pound. Now the currency is called pound. JPY, I think this is the Japanese yen. Its symbol is JPY. Country, Japan. Then currency is called yen. ZAR, this is the South African rand from the South Africa. Then the symbol is called ZAR. Then the currency is called rand. So that's how you differentiate these symbols with their countries plus the currency. So I think that's all we had to share with you guys in this video. We have been talking about what is Forex, explaining more about what is basically Forex. I think you have got some valuable information in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button in order to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Don't forget to sign up with our brokers in the description, because they are legit brokers we have been working with for the last 4 years. They have fast withdrawals, support is legit, like they have many payment methods. There is no way you're going to fail to deposit money and start your trading journey. The minimum deposit, I think it's $50 and above. Some brokers even $5. So don't hesitate to sign up with our brokers. We'll meet in another video.